Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. Do you have actual photos that are just rotting in storage boxes somewhere? Well, pull them out, put them in a cool bowl on your coffee table and take a stroll down memory lane. It's also a great way to entertain and engage your guests. Conversation starters? Yes, please. Change them out frequently and have some fun. Categorize by theme, event, or make it a random hodgepodge. It all works and gets those photos out for everyone to enjoy. For those of you digital photo folks, make your own coffee table books. There are 1,000,001 photo services out there that will let you create your own photo books or help you to create one. So download those files and share those shots. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.